So how do you tell people about the stuff you're doing?
Are you charged with doing photo editing at your organization? Well, I am.
So what do I do when I have a problem of any kind? I turn to Google. I'm sorry, this is not anything earth-shattering, but it's remarkably helpful.
I'm here to talk about Geographic Information Systems, commonly called GIS.
What I want to talk about is strategic technology planning.
I'd like to talk about backing up your information.
Two things that you might want to do that I found really helpful. The first is to create a technology plan.
We recommend to people that they focus on the audio when setting up stuff.
And the first thing I would suggest, especially a small office that doesn't have a lot of money, would be to consider open office.
One thing I recommend for a nonprofit to attend as many free and inexpensive workshops and events that are available.
What we did is actually we decided to upgrade, got rid of those 10 tape backup rotation system, and now we have only 2 tapes, and each tape has a capacity of 1 terabyte.
You take these 2 tape offsite and I know you can sleep better and I can sleep better.
What we'll do is go to a web-based system where their database is online, it is encrypted with a security certificate.
The biggest problem that we've had at DARTS in the last year has been our server situation.
We're looking at virtualizing a number of desktops. We know we won't be able to virtualize all our desktops.
We've always had a firewall. We've always had Norton antivirus, but we've also started now using a registered copy of Malwarebytes.
Just like a lot of nonprofits right now, we are struggling with how to make our operation very efficient.
There's a really cool free service that we use called TubeBogle.
I'd like to talk about a couple of free programs that I use pretty regularly here that have really been helpful.
Well, the way that we use in social media here, the Minnesota Institute of Public Health, is that we have developed a profile in Facebook.
We always tell people that when they're volunteering for us, they're not just bringing themselves to the table, but they're also bringing their network to the table.
If you're going to do a page, try and do it right. Make your organization look good.
The New Tactics in Human Rights Project uses Twitter to inform the online community about new content added to the website.
But now we have seen and we have good examples in how other nonprofits are using Twitter very effectively.
If you are interested in using technology for your nonprofit, it's always good to get involved in these kinds of networks where you can start off with these great resources from the beginning as opposed to recreating the wheel.
And the secret sauce is when you're doing any kind of work on the internet, it's not about the technology. It's about having interaction with people.
Sorry, I hope you can edit that out.